Welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome. My name is Friencine, and on this channel we talk about personal finances, whether that is creating a budget, getting out of debt, or saving for a better future. Today's video we are doing a sinking fund update video where I count all the money in my sinking fund to see did we grow or did we decrease in our sinking fund savings. Alright, so let's start it off. Everything is filled out, so the starting balances are here. Just have to put in the total balance and calculate everything up. Okay, so now we're going to do cars. Take out the cash for cars. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 400. That's where I messed up. 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 500. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So 550. Sorry if you hear people in the background. Can't help that. So 550. We're going to count that again. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Yep, $550, which is amazing. So I am halfway to my goal amount, which is I think 1K. Self-care. We are going to organize the money. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is 2. 20, 30, 35, 40, 40. 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So 247. $247, which is less than what we started with, but it's okay. It's okay. Couples goals, which has a lot of money put in and a lot of money deducted to prep for the event we have going on. So we have 1, 2, 3. So this is 300. Perfect. 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33. So 333. Would have loved to have more, but we did use some money for what is going to happen. Shutdown had started with 40. So let's see what we have now. We have 20, 30, 40, 50. Wait, no, 20, 2, 4, 6. Wow, why did I count like that? 2, 4, 6, 70, 80, 85, 90. So we have 90 for shutdown. So that is an increase from 40. So that's good. Freeport creation also had 40 in the beginning. We added 100, but then we used the 100 because we had to get something. So let's see how much we have left. 50, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86. So I finished the month double what I started with, even though there was more in there. House saving had $215, and this money is to buy me a new bed, because my bed is not cooperating with your good sis. So let's see how much we have. And I think the bed set's like $500 or $400, around there. I want a bed that has storage because my shoes are in my current storage that is under the bed, and I have a lot of shoes, so I need room for that. Whew. We have 1, 2. So this is 200. 300, because that is 50, 20, 25, 50, 25, no, 2, 4, 50. So this is 300, 5, 6, 7, 307. Okay. 307, travel. I honestly did not touch travel. Well, there's a 20 in the front, so maybe I did. I don't know. But let's see. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 180, 80, 90, 95. Yep. Didn't move anywhere. 195. This is my passport money. Still need to go get passport. Tech started with 168. So let's see how much we have now. 1, 2, 4, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. We still have 168. Our debt snowball started with 314. I think I put that money in the bank already to pay for my debt my debt payment. So right now we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we have $21 in debt snowball. By the end of this month, this money should be already allocated for in my bank statements, in paying my credit card. Birthdays only have 10. Doctor had 40, but I'm gonna have to take this money out because I spend money for my glasses. So, and it came out of my whole stimulus check. So I want to give this money back to my stimulus check, if that makes sense. So we have, it was 40, so let's see. 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is $40. We're just going to put this to the side. And I'm just going to say it's 0. 0. My birthday only has $10. SG row started with 101. Let's see what we have. Oh, look at all these ones. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 116. 116. Holidays have 0. And Christmas has 0. Alright. So now that we have all of this accounted for, we just have to count and add up everything to see how much we have all together. So 550 plus 247 plus 333 plus 90 plus 86 plus 307 plus 195 plus 168 plus 21 plus 10 plus 10 plus 116. So we have, wow, $2,133 altogether in sinking fund. That is not including any savings challenges, right? And not including the money that I am taking away to put back into the bank. But yeah, that is basically it for this video. I increased about, I would say $40. 0 minus 3, 1, 3, 3. I increased about $47 from the beginning of the year. Basically the beginning of the year to the end of January. So yeah, that is it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.